Hi everyone, I am Abhishek and today we are going to talk about shares and dividend. All of you might be knowing regarding Sensex, you might have seen on television, or share market, you might have heard this word. So what does it actually mean? Now this concept of shares and dividend is also there in the syllabus for class 10. So today firstly I am going to talk about a simpler explanation of the concept. Then there is certain specific terms or language used, I am going to talk about it. And then I am going to talk about the formulae which are used, and then we will also take up a sample problem. Now firstly, as I told you earlier that you have already heard the word share market or Sensex. So what does basically that mean? Now share market is a place where shares of different companies are bought and sold. Now firstly we will start with the idea of a share. What is a share? Suppose I want to start a company and I need 100 rupees but I have only 10 rupees with me. So if I have only 10 and I need 100 rupees, what I can do is that I can find out 9 more persons who are ready to invest 10 rupees each in the company. So if I find out such 9 persons, total there will be 10 persons, P1, P2, P3 and so on. Let us say P10 is the 10%. Each one of them is going to invest 10 rupees in the company. So the amount which will be collected will be total of 100 rupees. So total 100 rupees will be collected, and with these 100 rupees I can now start the company. So if I now start the company with these 100 rupees, and let us say that we bought some items for 100 rupees and after some time those items were sold, and those items were sold for 200 rupees. So what will happen now? Suppose I want to divide those 200 rupees equally into the 10 persons, then each person will now get 20 rupees. They had invested 10 rupees, but now suppose I want to divide 200 rupees into 10 persons, each one of them will now get 20 rupees. So these 10 rupees which they had invested earlier, this is called as share of each one of the persons. Now each person will have a share of 10 rupees in the company. Now this share which was there at the beginning, this is the initial value. This initial value is also called as nominal value of the share. So we will say that nominal value of each one of these persons' shares is 10 rupees. Nominal value is also called as face value of the share. So in this case, nominal value or face value is 10 rupees.